Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and fuse, then plug a single probe into channel 1 and set probe attenuation to 10x when applicable. Once connected, clip the ground to circuit common because a floating ground will give noisy or dangerous readings. Make sure the oscilloscope completes its internal calibration. This stabilizes offsets and baseline noise. After the self-check, press Auto Set to get an initial display, and then adjust vertical scale to keep the waveform on screen for the next steps. You now focus on capturing a stable waveform. Set the trigger source to channel 1 and choose Edge Trigger, then set trigger level near the expected signal midpoint. Once done, change the horizontal time base to fit several cycles on screen so you can inspect shape and timing. Make sure to scale volts per division so peaks aren't clipped. Use AC coupling to remove DC offset when needed. If the trace seems inverted, toggle invert on the channel. This clarifies the signal polarity and timing relationship. You finish by taking measurements. Enable cursors or the auto measure menu to read frequency, VPP, and rise time directly because numeric readouts reduce error. Once done, save the waveform or a screen capture to USB for records and label your file. If the trace looks noisy or unstable, check probe compensation and reconnect the ground clip firmly. Ground loops or improper probe compensation are the most common issues. Finally, reduce bandwidth limit if you need less noise without losing signal detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.